In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an effective AI tool for enhancing and improving audio quality. Maybe you're a content creator or podcaster looking to boost the quality of your recorded audio or video, or perhaps you're a music producer wanting to improve the final sound of your recorded instruments. For this purpose, AudioEnhancer.ai can help you out and do the job in the best possible way. I should mention that the free version of this tool only processes up to 5 minutes of audio, and for longer durations, you'll need to purchase a premium account. To use it, simply go to AudioEnhancer.ai and upload your audio or video file in the Upload File section. In the Choose Enhancement section, you can select the appropriate option that suits your needs. For a typical content creator, the Improve the Quality option is usually appealing. After that, you select your content type and finally click the Enhance Media button. Your file will be ready and you can easily listen to it and download it. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for your support.